In this video, I want to demonstrate how to use surfaces to cut these two features into our stasis chambers we're designing for the flight to Alpha Centauri. So first, I'm going to Control-Tab back to the other part. And just like before, I have to make a split line. So I'm going to tell I want to make a split line where I project this sketch onto these faces. And I'll right-click to accept that. And we have that split line. I'm just going to expand this and hide that sketch. And then again, we're going to make another split line. So I select the down arrow below curves, split line. I'm going to project this sketch onto these faces. Rotate around so I can select them all. Rotate back and double check, and I'll right click and accept that. And again, I'm going to hide that sketch. Okay, so now I have the two split lines, and I'm going to go to my surface menu and say surfaces. I'm going to create an offset surface. So I'll select the faces I wish to offset, and I want them to go 90 thou. I'm going to reverse the direction into the part, and I'll say OK. I'm going to do another surface offset. So I'm going to go offset surface. This time, it pre-selected the surface I just created because I just created it, and I can do that, and I can offset it 90 thou this way. Or if I clear this, I can put the offset amount to 0, and I can create a surface right on top of these split faces, and I'll say OK. So I have my two surface offsets. I'm actually going to pre-select them this time. I'm going to go to Features, and I'm going to tell it to create a Lofted Cut from those two surface bodies, and I'll say OK. Then I'll expand the surfaces, select them both while I hold Control, release, and hide them. And there's our first cut. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to go back to Surfaces. I'm going to create an offset surface, and I'll select all these faces I've split. I'll just rotate around a bit. And I'll fit the geometry to the screen, make sure I've selected everything, and I could leave it at 0, but this time I'm going to go 90 thou again. I see it's going out of the part, so I'm going to go into the part, and I'll say OK. So rather than do another offset surface this time, I'm just going to reselect this surface, and this time I'm going to tell it to thicken the surface and cut the part. So I'm going to say Thicken Cut, and I have to choose my direction and set my amount. So I'm just going to make it to 1/8, so I get a nicer preview. I can see it's going the right way. If I choose the other direction, I don't see it. If I go both directions, it'll go 1/8 both ways, but I just want it to come out of the part, so I'll go with this, and I'll say OK. And then we've cut our part as well. So that's just another method to create the cut feature that we've been working on. So I'm going to look at it isometrically. And to finish our stasis pod in the next video, we'll add the nose cone here to it.